These young fly.
Hello, I'm Robert Downey Jr. Am I a
Comedian
I appreciate my
in the United States of America.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh,
So I've been on a number of different networks.
Tell me about the Chappelle show, though. Did you get to meet him?
Yes, I saw Chappelle back in those days in New York.
Uncle, which was a good book. Not really that much about Trump.
More time in a pandemic, someone who probably smells.
Jimmy, I appreciate you, pal.
Thank you for coming on, man. I really appreciate it.
You get the one.
Well, we kept our distance. I mean, we had, I'm
rest his soul. He was a good guy. Who did I beat? I'll be honest with you.
Movie. I mean, that's unbelievable.
I know, it's huge.
It's a black and white from 1960.
Criminal Minds as a cannibal serial killer.
Okay.
I'd rather you do. Jeff was so excited.
It has foam in it. I would cook it. I'd put it in the oven.
What was that?
Not you, my cat.
Boy, killing it.
Surface is when a certain
It's my show.